Hi, I'm Aaron with Archer Landscape Design. Thanks again for speaking with us. Before we begin creating your design, we'll need a copy of your property survey or house plans. I want to explain why this step is important and how it actually benefits you throughout the entire process. Your survey is what allows us to build your scaled CAD base plan, which is the foundation of your entire design. When we have an accurate survey, your conceptual plan is drawn correctly, your 3D model reflects the true layout of your home, and your initial estimate will be much closer to the final build price. This step truly protects you, it prevents surprises and avoids rework and keeps your investment going exactly where you want it. One thing that's really important, photos taken with a phone will always distort the plan. This isn't a sometimes issue. It happens 100% of the time. Nobody can ever get the phone perfectly level. Even if your photo looks clear, it will be out of scale, which means the design is inaccurate. To ensure precision, a digital PDF of your survey is the most accurate option. The second one is a flatbed scanner is the next best method. These options keep everything perfectly straight, perfectly scaled, and allow your design team to work with confidence. If you've lived in your home for a long time and don't have a survey or a house plan, don't worry. Just let us know as quickly as possible so our team can prepare accordingly. We do have two options. Our team can measure your home during the design process, or we can send you a link to order a new survey. As a side note, most HOA require improvements to be submitted using an official survey, so having one is always beneficial. Once you have your survey or house plan, just email it to the address in your confirmation message. As soon as we receive it, our drafting team will begin preparing your base plan so your project moves forward smoothly and accurately. Thanks again for choosing Archer Landscape Design. We look forward to working with you.